That is an extremely good-looking cheesecake, but it's also sugar-free and full of protein, making it the perfect after-gym snack. Here's how you can make it. Start by whisking an egg and adding protein powder and oat flour. Mix it well and add sweetener of choice. To make a chocolate dough, add a bit of cocoa powder and mix. Spray a springform pan with cooking oil. I use these smaller ones, but you can do one big cheesecake. Use a spoon to spread the batter evenly and bake the base in a preheated oven. Check the description for exact times and temperatures. For the filling, mix an egg, fat-free cream cheese, and sweetener. Add protein powder and mix again before adding fat-free Greek yogurt. Take the base out of the oven after a crust has formed, but before it bakes fully, and pour the cheesecake batter over it. Return the cheesecake in the oven and bake until the tops rise and turn golden brown. Use a knife to separate the form from the cheesecake and remove them from the pan. To finish it off, mix fat-free yogurt and protein powder into a thick frosting. After that, just decorate as you like. If you like the recipe, why not subscribe so you don't miss future uploads? Thanks for watching!